190D 2.5 drama and valve stem seals.
I know that car.
Yeah. So this past week we had to work on Thomas Polk's 190D 2.5. It's been pretty cool because Thomas has had that car for 3 years. I think this is the first time it's actually had to overnight in the shop, but that doesn't mean we're out of the woods totally. Thomas's car needed valve stem seals really badly because when the car was fully warmed up, when he would accelerate away from a stoplight, there would be a puff of blue smoke. And when I say a puff, I meant something like an Indian smoke signal. So what did we do? Well, the first thing we did was we got a set of Victor Reigns valve stem seals and we pulled the camshaft off of the car. When we pulled the camshaft off of the car and put the new valve stem seals on, because all the Victor Reigns seals are colored green, we got them mixed up. Where in reality there are two different diameters for the intake and exhaust valve stem seals. So that caused the car to run even worse and burn even more oil than it was before. Needless to say, I wasn't happy. So what did we do next? Well, we ordered a set of valve stem seals from Mercedes, which we had overnighted, took the whole car apart again, and when we took it apart, we realized that the injection pump timing was also way off. So after retiming the injection pump and putting the new valve stem seals in, we were putting the camshaft back in, and the front face of the cam broke. Thankfully, I had another camshaft, although it wasn't necessarily just sitting around. I had to steal it from my friend George's 190 300D 2.5 turbo. We did manage to save the day. Anyway.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, funny because a lot of people ask what 190Ds typically need, and the early 190D valve stem seals did have a life expectancy of like 100 to 150,000 miles before they started to get really bad. So in this case, they had reached their expiration date. Anyway, I guess the moral of this story is if you're using Victor Reigns valve stem seals, make sure that you don't just plop them on all at once. Even though they're both green, there's a different diameter for intake and a different diameter for exhaust. Thank you and happy motoring. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so, because it's cool to stalk me, but it's even better to get to know me. And in the meantime, if you haven't liked our videos yet, keep liking them, because every time I see my videos, it's like 11 likes. And even if you dislike them, okay, whatever, you dislike them. Okay, who cares? At least you're doing something. Thank you for the feedback.
Thank you, and we love Pierre.
Okay, well, we love Thomas too. Thomas kept us busy for a week.